discovery is showing promise in the medical world. Researchers have come up with a device that can be implanted inside a brain and deliver drugs wirelessly. Doctors hope it could help treat a variety of neurological disorders. CCTV's Hendrik Sybrandy has more from the U.S. state of Colorado.
It's by far the most complicated thing we lug around each day, and it's all in our head. The brain, the 3-pound command center of the human nervous system, works in very mysterious ways, says researcher Jordan McCall.
Even though we know so much more than we did even a decade ago, we're still scraping the surface of how it really works.
This is an unprecedented device.
Now there's a new tool for treating disorders that occur when the brain misfires. This neural probe administers drugs to the brain wirelessly. Jae-Woong Song helped develop it.
We can literally deliver drug therapy with a press of the button.
Using infrared technology, much like a TV remote control. The device is ultra thin, 80 millionths of a meter, almost as thick as a strand of human hair, and it's soft like the brain tissue into which it's placed.
How does stress?
Co-developer Dr. Michael Bruca says the probe causes much less inflammation than the metal tubes through which drugs to the brain flow now.
You could imagine a very discrete localization of drug to a particular part of the brain. And that has huge implications long term because that eliminates a lot of these side effects.
Researchers say the device, which contains 4 chambers and can also emit light to stimulate brain cells, has worked well in mice, and it may eventually benefit humans.
Our hope is that someday this kind of technology will transfer into that realm.
This approach can be used to treat human brain disorders like Parkinson's disease or epilepsy.
We're very interested in things like depression, anxiety, addiction, neurodegenerative diseases.
It's an example of how scientists and engineers are teaming up on new discoveries.
Technology is in some ways driving what we can do as neuroscientists.
As they try to figure out what's going on upstairs. Hendrik Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.